The secret behind Netflix recommendations: big data engineering. Have you ever wondered how Netflix somehow knows exactly what you want to watch next? Sometimes even better than you do? Well, it's not a magic, it's a big data engineering. Hi, I am Mehul Brahmbhatt, CEO and founder of Matrixbricks, and I have helped companies streamline their digital systems and improve user engagement through data-driven strategies. And today I am breaking down the real secret behind Netflix recommendation engine. Over 15 years, I have worked closely with tech teams and data-driven brands, and I have seen how powerful big data engineering can be when it's done right. So let's unpack how Netflix actually uses it and why it works so unbelievably well. What is big data engineering? The backbone of Netflix intelligence. Before we talk about recommendations, let's understand what big data engineering really is. If data is the fuel, then big data engineering is the entire engine that processes, organizes, and delivers it where it needs to go. Here is what big data engineering actually does. It collects massive amount of user data every click, pause, rewind, and search. It cleans and organizes that data so machines can actually understand it. It makes data available in real time so the app stays fast, smooth, and personalized. So Netflix isn't just storing a data, it's turning into something meaningful. Now let's talk about how this translates into those shockingly accurate recommendations. How Netflix uses data engineering to track your viewing behavior. You may not realize it, but Netflix is constantly learning from your actions. Every interaction becomes a clue that helps the system predict what you will enjoy next. Here is the kind of data Netflix engineers focus on: what you watch, how long you watch, and where you stop, the genres, actors, and style you prefer, the time of day you watch, and even the device you use. What similar users in your age group or a region watch. All this tiny behavior data adds up to a very accurate profile of your taste. But the real magic? That happens in the next step. The algorithms, where big data engineers turns insights into predictions. This is where data engineering meets machine learning. Netflix uses advanced algorithms to analyze billions of viewing patterns across millions of users. Here is how those algorithms work. They compare your behavior with viewers who have similar taste patterns. They learn which shows lead to binge watching or a quick drop off. They prioritize titles you are most likely to enjoy based on your viewer profile. They test different cover images and thumbnails to see what you click on. And yes, sometimes changing just the thumbnail is enough to make you watch something. But it doesn't stop there. Netflix also predicts the future. Predictive modeling: how Netflix knows you next binge before you do. Using predictive analytics, Netflix doesn't just react to your behavior, it anticipates it. That's why the platform feels so personalized. Here is what predictive modeling helps Netflix do. Forecast which genres you will switch to next. Predict what type of content will trend in your region. Determine which shows to invest in, cancel, or renew. Personalize your homepage layout so you see the right content first. It's not just recommendations, it's a customized entertainment experience. And all of this is powered by big data engineering behind the scenes. Why big data engineering makes Netflix faster, smarter, and impossible to quit. Now let's zoom out. Netflix isn't just using data to recommend, it's using it to keep the entire platform smooth, fast, and addictive. Here is how big data engineering improves the whole experience. It ensures zero lag by delivering content from the nearest server. It predicts network load so streams stay high quality even at peak times. It reduces buffering by preloading scenes based on your behavior. It updates your recommendations instantly every time you watch something. This is why Netflix feels so effortless. And now you know, it's not lucky guess, it's world-class data engineering. Now, I want to hear from you. Which Netflix recommendation surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below. And if you want to understand how big data engineering can transform your business too, feel free to reach out. I would be happy to guide you. Thanks for watching. Hit like if you enjoyed the breakdown. Subscribe for more digital insights, and I'll see you in the next one.